Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. My name is Saif, and today I'm gonna talk about a really interesting presentation maker website called Prezi. What makes Prezi an interesting website is the exciting and amusing transitions and animations. We have a lot to cover in this video, so make sure to watch it to the end and let's get started. First, you need to create your own account from Get Started here. However, I will just log in, and I will use Google to log in. Now I will choose my account. And here we are. So to create your own presentation, you can just navigate to presentations from here, and you will have three options. The first one is to create from template. The second one is to create from scratch. And the third one is to convert an existing PowerPoint slideshow into Prezi. So for the sake of this tutorial, we will just create from template. Here you will find dozens of templates that Prezi has made for you, so you can navigate and choose any template you want. Here are our templates. You can find dozens, even hundreds of presentations here. You can even access different categories and different colors from here. So now let's just, maybe let's choose this one. Here you can preview it by clicking on these arrows. You can see the animations. So if you liked it, you can just press on use this template and start. Before starting, it will ask you about the title of the presentation. Let's just choose this one and press on continue. You have to choose who can see this presentation. Either it's only people you share it with. If it's private or anyone on web, I will choose the second option and press continue. And here is how your presentation looks like. So in order to zoom on any specific slide, you can just navigate to the slide from here and it will zoom in. Just like that. So by pressing on the slide, you can zoom in. And if you want to go back, you can press on this home, or you can choose the first slide from here. There is another method that you can zoom in, which is by pressing on the plus sign here, and it will keep zooming, but without any specific part, it will just zoom in to the center. However, if you want to zoom in for a specific part, all what you need to do is to just click on it or keep your cursor on it and manipulate the wheel of the mouse. However, I'm using my laptop and I don't have a wireless mouse, so I don't have this option. However, you can do it. So you can navigate between different slides by just clicking on them, or you can zoom by this plus sign or by your mouse wheel. This is how you can move between slides. So let's just pick one of these slides. For example, let's pick slide number 4 and try to do any manipulation in it. So for example, we can upload an image from here by pressing on upload image. You can access to your device and you can choose any picture. So here it has made the background itself, all of it, the image we chose. So let's just press undo and see if we just want to add an image for a specific slide, how we can do this. This is actually can be performed by choosing media from here. So basically, if you chose a slide like this, let's just return to the overview. If you choose a slide like this, which is slide number 4, and you chose, one second, media from here, then selected image, you can upload it from here and here it will only be applied to this specific slide. Or you can just delete it and select one of the free images that is provided by Unsplash, or you can search for a specific topic like here. Let's say, for example, C, and search. Unfortunately, it's not available in the free subscription, so let's just leave this part for now. And you can choose from these images, or you can just upload any image from your own device through this after selecting first the slide, then selecting media from here. However, to change the whole background, you can change it from style. So media here changes the background of the specific slide that you are at, while at style you can change the background of the whole presentation. So this is the main difference here. Now, if you want to edit any text, just double click on it and write whatever you want. You can also manipulate the properties of the text from here. You can also change not only background from style, but you can change the color theme of the whole presentation. For example, by doing this, you can see that the whole template colors change into other preset colors. So you can choose any one you want from these, and when you are satisfied, you can just press on this X and return to edit your own presentation. You can also change text style from here. So you can choose any of these and you will find the change applied to your slides. You can also create a new style. However, I will not just use this, and I will remove this one. Here you can also change the watermark, but I think it's a premium feature. Let's try. Yes, as expected, it's a premium feature, so you cannot remove this watermark until you subscribe to one of their plans. Next, you can insert many options here. You can insert a frame, you can insert a text box, you can insert a media, as we said before. You can insert a shape, you can insert story block in case you are interested in flow diagrams and this stuff. This is the same as the smart art in PowerPoint. It's the same idea, and you can access on more details from here. Let's just remove this one, and you can access more things to insert from here. So when you are done with editing your own presentation, you can just click on this preview to see how your slides look like. But if you want to see how your whole presentation look like, you can press on this present and press on start presentation, present with watermark, and let's press on present, and you will see your transitions here. So this is how your presentation look like. Each one of these circles is considered as a slide. They are all empty because we did not make a presentation. I am just showing you the features that you can use. So if you are satisfied with the result, you can navigate to the share here and press on get link so that you can share the link online with other teammates and other parties, or you can export to PDF. You can share broadcast link, or you can collaborate with others. So this is basically how you can work on Prezi, and now you know how to use it and if it's the right platform for you or not. There is a final advice here. Don't try to download their desktop version for free. Their desktop version is paid, and if you try to download any crack or anything, it may get you a ransomware. So be careful and don't try any cracks, especially when it comes to Prezi, because many other parties use cracks to trick people to download free versions of Prezi, and they are surprised when they see that all their data is gone. So be careful, please, and don't use any unofficial version of Prezi. So this brings us to the end of this tutorial. Hope you guys learned from this quick tutorial. If you like this video, press on like, then subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next videos. Until then, take care and goodbye.